Are we off? Yeah. Hold on a sec. Yeah, we're in gear now. Let's do that one.
But I still don't have the line.
Yep, now.
Got them both? Okay. Thank you.
You pull that ball up?
Yep, I'll get it.
Clear.
Washing up to standby, please stand by at 1-4.
I swear that this ship either used to have a loading ramp on the front or it got smashed into something.
I noticed that.
Uh-huh.
Well, we're going around the exclusion zone for the underwater volcano that's north of Grenada. And that's right over in here, and in that area. And the danger, from what I've been told, is that not that the volcano is going to erupt at any time, but that occasionally it off gases a lot of like big bubbles of large amounts of sulfur and oxygen, and if you happen to be over top of it when that happens, then all of a sudden your flotation in the water goes away and your boat will sink like immediately, just drop out of the sky. And so you don't want that to happen. So we're following the recommendations of the chart here. I've heard of people going through the middle of it, and in fact a bunch of routes go right through the middle of it. But I think it's best if we just do this the way it's supposed to be done.
Charlie, Carriacou, Juliet, Fox, 1-6.
Stop it! This bird is like trying to catch our lure. Dummy.
Alpha Charlie, Carriacou, this is Juliet, Fox, mobile.
How many miles are we out?
Oh, like 3 or 4?
Nothing hot.
So this is Carriacou. Just sailed up today. The main anchorage, I'm drawing a blank on the name, but this little marina, there's a little slipway marina with a travel lift over here. He's playing guitar in the background. Led Zeppelin. us. Came over here to Sandy Island. It's part of Carriacou, and it's beautiful. It really is. They've got day balls, and it's a little windy. I think that's probably going to be a problem for me. I have to admit to have developed a little bit of a fear, panic almost, of water, swimming in deeper water, and so I'm trying to work my way through that. But in the meantime, it's nice for me when it's calm. I don't like it when it gets choppy. Yeah, so we're gonna. The rest of the crew is strong swimmers, and they're gonna enjoy themselves, I think. Scott swimming in. So we're sailing back down from Carriacou, and we're having to go outside the volcanic exclusion zone. Takes us pretty far offshore. Here's Grenada, further south. And we have beautiful sailing conditions for it. Really something. Okay. Doing 8.5 knots, sometimes somewhere between 7 and 8.5 knots. Coast of Grenada. So what you thinking there, Mr. Scott?
It's been a great downwind sail all morning and get back to Port St. Louis and then the marina, and it's been fantastic, relaxing, great sail. So it was a lot of fun this morning.
Awesome. Well, it looks like our boat speed indicator has come back up. It was showing 0 knots, which means that the little paddle wheel's getting covered with some sort of gunk. Meanwhile, yesterday Wendy gave me a haircut, finally. Although she skipped along the side of my head, I think, somewhere. But what are you gonna do? I was desperately in need of a haircut. And yeah, the boat's doing great. Flying along. getting ready to come back into Port Louis here in Grenada, and there's the cruise ship dock, which means we're almost there. Boats anchored off back here. I have to say that the anchorage outside Port Louis is really rolling. Like, I wouldn't really recommend it. It's better to spend the money to get into Port Louis Marina, which is a camper in Nicholson Yard. It's really nice, done well, and and it's like $65 a night, which isn't bad. Definitely affordable. And so you get power and water and all that good stuff. Plus they've got a pool and some nice restaurants and bars, and it's a nice little coffee shop. In the morning you can go get croissants, and it's wonderful there. So it's the new destination for the Ark. The Ark is abandoning St. Lucia because of crime and just, you know, people from the powers that be at St. Lucia don't seem to care. They really don't seem to care about the Ark.
Talisman, Port Louis.
Talk to him, Kevin.
Yeah, we want the dinghy up front, Wendy. Talisman, go ahead.
Captain, I think your dinghy, if you want to put it on your starboard side, maybe bit your beer.
Yes, they're working on that right now.
Back and then you pull up. Spin to the pedestal again. Take a landing.
Give me, clean it off. Clean me off. Clean me off. Wrap it.
Towels on.
Okay. Okay, I'm coming back, Wed. Thank you. I might come back with another foot. Let me see if I can get a foot out of this. Hold on. I don't want to be too much over the. That's good right there. I believe so.
We want to avoid the
pedestal with our passerelle.
down.
Stays on your coverage.
Let me pull a little further away. You guys let me off the big dad on these. Bring them forward about a foot. It'll show. I'm gonna. Scott, Mary Kay packing up, getting ready to roll.
No!
No, we don't want that.
Don't
We
like
want
it.
them to stay.
Yeah, you might want to get that in there.